All right, let's talk about how you can press enter and stay in the same cell in Excel. So if I were to type school here and hit the enter key, that's automatically going to input that into the cell and bring me down one cell. Alternatively, if I were to type school, if I were to type in this cell and hit tab, it's going to enter that into this cell and move me over to the right. Now, if I type the same thing in this cell and I hit control enter, that will input the data into the cell, but keep me selected on that cell. And if I were to type school again and then hit alt enter, that's going to create another line within that cell. So I could type school is another alt enter, cool, enter, and you can see that that is going to widen this row and create different lines. Now you can also go into Excel and change the settings where if you were to type something in and hit enter, it doesn't bring you down one cell. And you can do this by going up to the file ribbon, selecting options, going to advanced, and up here at the top you can unselect this, or you can change what happens when you hit the enter key. So if I unselect and hit OK, and I type school here, enter, that's going to keep me highlighted on that cell. You can always go back to your options and re-enable that. But that's how the enter key works in Excel, and that's how you can press it and stay within the same cell. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.